In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add sticky in Framer. Start by opening your Framer project and navigating to the page or canvas where you want the sticky to appear. Once you're there, open the Insert panel. You can click the Insert button in the top bar, and if the menu doesn't expand on the first click, click it again to reveal the full library. From the library, head to the Utility section. This is where Framer keeps handy helpers and simple UI elements that speed up layout work. Inside Utility, choose Sticky Note. Framer will drop a sticky onto your canvas, and you'll see its properties in the right-hand panel. Give the sticky a quick click to make sure it's selected so the right controls are visible. Next, adjust how it sits in your layout. In the positioning controls, you might see it set to Absolute by default. Click Absolute, then switch it to Relative. Absolute positioning locks the note to exact coordinates, while Relative lets it flow with its parent frame. This usually makes it easier to keep spacing consistent as your design changes. Now let's style it. In the color controls, open the swatches and choose blue. If your project uses design tokens, you may see a token like a blue string or named variable. Pick that so the sticky stays in sync with your system colors. After choosing the color, click back on the note or its property area to confirm the selection and keep the styling panel open. For typography, open the font or style dropdown. Select Script. If you want that handwritten feel, then choose the default style to keep it clean and readable. If you're testing sizes, switch to Big to check legibility. Then use the visibility controls to hide and show the note momentarily. This is a quick way to verify that interactions or conditional visibility are behaving as expected. Bring it back to show, review the size again, and if big feels too large for your layout, switch to small for a tighter look. Use hide and show one more time to confirm everything refreshes correctly on the canvas. Once you're happy with placement, color, and styling, it's time to publish. Click Publish in the top right corner. Framer will build and push your latest changes so you can see the sticky live and share it with others. If anything looks off after publishing, return to the canvas, tweak the